Good morning, students. In today's video, we will discuss limitations of technical analysis. As we have already discussed that different tools and techniques of technical analysis are used to forecast the price behavior. We can predict the future prices of the security. But technical analysis suffers from several weaknesses which are visible on your screen. Like the very first one is it requires careful interpretation. Identification and interpretation of a price pattern requires a lot of experience. More fluctuation in prices over a few days need not be taken as forming a pattern. So, technical analysts need to be careful. If the analyst is not careful, then technical analysis will not meet its objective. Second is fear of biasness. The interpretation of a price pattern need not be affected by the personal biases of the analyst. For example, if the analyst is bullish and optimistic, then such feelings will overshadow the interpretation or vice versa. Third is lack of quickness in identification of a pattern. The technical analyst must be a quick identifier of a price pattern. There need not be long time gap between the start of formation of a price pattern and its identification. If this quickness is missing on the part of technical analyst, then again it will not serve its purpose. Fourth is requires long-term perspective. Emphasis in technical analysis should always be on the long-term patterns. In short-term, price patterns may not be visible. So, technical analysts need to be careful on this part also. If this is not followed, then it will prove as a limitation of the technical analysis. Last is limitation of charting method. As we have already discussed number of times that technical analysis is also known as charting analysis. And with charting, certain limitations are attached as charting provides only a bird's eye view and does not provide exact interpretation. Same is true here. So these are the limitations of technical analysis. But besides the limitations, the uses of technical analysis are varied and many and are used by investors in taking the investment decisions a lot. So in technical analysis, so far we have discussed meaning, assumptions, theories, tools and techniques, and now limitations of technical analysis. With this, we are now done with the topic technical analysis. In our subsequent video, we will discuss the difference between fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Thank you.